Hi, and welcome to a short little podcast about the topic, purpose, and aspects, or the thesis. Remember, you can access your topic, purpose, aspect handout by going to tpa.doc at the Google document. When you open it up, it will look like this. You will want to go ahead and go File, make a copy, and then, of course, work with that copy. Now, what is this topic, purpose, and aspects? Well, the topic, purpose, and aspects is a document that will help you to create a draft of your thesis statement. Remember, as I mentioned in class, a thesis statement doesn't just have to be one sentence. It can be multiple sentences. The key to a strong thesis statement is that it has the topic of your investigation, it has at least two purposes, and it has the aspects that you're going to be working with. Now, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and go through and move to answer the question, what is the main subject in your text or investigation? If that main subject is the difference in college education, and you're kind of thinking that's a very broad topic, that's okay. You can always come back and narrow it as you move forward. So let's say that I'm going to be working with the difference in college education. I need to define those differences. I need to examine those differences, and I would like to I would like to do a little bit of let's see. I will assess the differences. So you can see that I have three purposes, and I'm going to do a definition and examine. Okay, for my aspects, I need to think about what will I define about college education. So, I need to define what the differences are, private, public, and community. Oops, I might want to think about online education too. Okay, so I need to define. So now I'm gonna do a little narrowing here. I'm gonna define the different forms of college education. Now I need to examine what? What do I want to do? Well, let's see. I want to examine the costs associated with the different college education outlets. Okay. Let's see. So I'm going to talk about the difference in cost in college education. Okay, so see, I've started to refine it. And I need to assess which of these offers the best value. Well, now that's going to be broad. There's lots of different there's lots of different degrees, there's lots of different there's so much to do it. So what if I focus on the difference in cost in college education? Well, let's see, in English degrees in college education. Assess which of these offers the best value for the English major. So now I've really refined it. So now I can take these, these areas, I can create a sentence because topic plus purpose plus aspects equals thesis statement. So I could say the difference in cost in English degrees in college educations can be explored by defining, examining, and assessing various attributes. First, this paper will define what the differences are in private, public, and community and online education formats. This paper will then examine the costs associated with the different college educational outlets, and ultimately this research will assess which of these offers the best value for the English major. And there I have it. I have a thesis statement for a draft from my topic, my purpose, and my aspects. If you do have any questions or comments or concerns, please feel free to contact me. Thanks.